Hello guys, in this video I'll teach you how to make a perfect narrator animation video using AI tools. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nasif and I make tech tutorial videos to help you increase your productivity and efficiency at whatever you do. If you are interested in my videos, kindly subscribe, click notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also in the comment section, let me know which tutorial videos you'll be interested in learning, and I will try to make a tutorial video for you. Join me on my screen. Let's begin. So to be able to make an animation narrator video, I'll be using ChatGPT. I'll be using Discord, Midjourney, and then D-ID Studio. So those are the tools I'll be using, these 4 tools. First of all, I would create my content using ChatGPT. So my content that I'll be creating would be write a YouTube video script for the title, How to Increase Productivity with Software Tools. And then I'll go on to say, give 10 examples of software tools to increase productivity. Then I'll enter, and then it starts to generate for me. ChatGPT has finished creating my content for me. If I want to re-edit this content, I can take it to, there's a tool called chatbot. I can take it to chatbot to paraphrase it. So after that, I'll move to Discord. I'll try to download Discord on my PC. So I'll download it on my Windows PC. I already have it, so there's no need for me to download it anymore. And I'll move on to Midjourney. So I'll click on Midjourney. So this is what Midjourney is all about. And I would say join the beta. Okay, so this is what I have. I've already joined the beta, so there's also no need to. So whenever you have the Discord and then you join the beta, you would automatically land to this area, and then you'd have this icon here says Midjourney. So if you have this, then that means you are successfully in Midjourney. So what I'll do is, there are a lot of channels here. I'll try to select one of them and then start to do my projecting. So let's say I'm selecting the newbies 56 to go to a new room. So what I'll do inside the room is I'll use prompt to generate my images. So I'll just say slash imagine prompt. So it will just bring it up, and then I'll type in a black lady with a laptop, and I'll say enter. So it's trying to generate an image for me. A lot of images appear whenever you are trying to generate your own. So what you need to do is you need to go to the inbox at the right hand top corner of your screen, and then you click on it, and then you see this image is trying to load. So that is my image, is 93%, and then I have something like this. So I will just click on jump, and then to improve, select an image and then improve upon the image. We have V1, V2 up to 4, and then we have U1, U2 up to 4. What the U means is that you have to upscale your image, and then the V is the variation number. So this is variation 1, variation 2, variation 3, variation 4. And what I'll do is that I'll need to select one variation in order to upscale it. So I'll select variation 2 because I see it to be very nice. So variation 2, and then I'll upscale it to 4. I'll go back to my inbox, and then it's trying to upscale for me. Okay, so this is my final image that has been generated. So when I want to save it, I'll just click on open in browser. So I'll click on open in browser, and then I get my picture. Okay, so I'll right click it, and then I'll save the image to, let me say, dark. Okay, so after that, after saving my image, I'll go to the D-ID studio, and then I'll try to upload my image. So what I'll do is that I'll try to upload an image. So I'll go here and then add the image. I'll come to my folder and then select that image. Yes, so it's uploaded. So the next thing to do is to go to ChatGPT and then copy all that I have generated and then bring it to the D-ID studio, and then you have a place that you upload content. You paste it, you paste your content, and then you get a lady's voice. So let's say Jane, and let me play the voice for you to hear.
Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of work, productivity. With the right tools, you can get more
I think
done
this
in
one
less
is
time
not
and make your
okay.
workday.
So let me select this one.
Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of
so
work,
you can choose to select all the
With
languages
right tools,
that
you can get more
you
done in
want.
less time
So
and
we
make
have
your
a lot
workday
of them
more
here.
manageable. In this video,
A lot
we're
of
going
them.
to explore 10 software tools that can help you increase
So
your
what I'll do
productivity
is
at work.
I'll select.
Trello, efficiently.
Okay, I see Nigeria there. So I think the Nigerians. Yeah. Let me see what.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important aspects of work.
Okay, I think this is a great sound for
right tools,
for this
you can
picture.
get more done in less time and make your workday more manageable. In this video, we are going to explore 10 software tools that can help you increase your
so that is cool. I think that is cool. You can change to suit whatever you want. So I'll say generate afterwards, and then yes, and then click here to say generate. Okay, so it's done. What I'll just need to do is that I need to download it, or I can share it. So I'll just download it. Yeah, so my video is now downloaded.
Hi everyone.
So I'll just
Today
play.
we are going to talk about one of the most important aspects of work, productivity. With the right tools, you can get more done in less time and make your workday more manageable. In this video, we are going to explore 10 software tools that can help you increase your productivity at work. Trello, a project management tool that allows you to organize and prioritize tasks in a visual way. Todoist, a to-do list and task management app that helps you stay organized and on track with your tasks. Slack, a communication tool that helps teams stay connected and collaborate more efficiently. Evernote, a note-taking app that allows you to keep track of your ideas, thoughts, and to-dos in one place. Hootsuite,
This looks good. I think it's okay. Just the only thing is that the hands are stiff, and then yeah. So that is one downside about this AI stuff. The hair is also having a bit of the movement is not good.
And collaborate
so I think whenever you are generating such content, you have to make sure that
Grammarly, a writing tool that checks your grammar and spelling and provides suggestions for
thank you for watching this video, and then I really appreciate. See you in our next video.